Exness Trade Online Trading. Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can install and download this app in your device, or the quick review. So you can see it's called Exness Trade Online Trading. So basically, it is the cryptocurrency. So we'll see the benefit or benefit about this in this app. Let's start with the demo account, then trade with no commission. So here you can see trade stocks, gold, oil, index, and more. Fast withdrawals of your funds. Get essential notification about your balance, trading activity, and more. Beware of pending and closed trades. Open an unlimited number of new accounts on trading app. So here is some a feature about this app and some function. Open your live and risk-free demo account quickly and easily. Trade hundreds of popular tradable assets on the Exness trading app. So you can trade here. You can businesses. It's really good app. So you can download. Simply click install, and it takes few moments to install in your device. So okay, friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching the video.